Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. My name is still Chris Jaggs, and here is your quote for today. Lessons in life will be repeated until they are learned. Now, do you keep getting hurt again and again? Or maybe you keep trying to do that same thing the same old way? If you continue to do the same thing again and again without changing anything at all, how you get a different result? Keep learning, keep adjusting, and keep yourself moving forward.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.